Hi there guys, I'm Sam Holt here from EggSeeds and I'm here at St Catherine's Church creating a digital bench for the homeless. It's an innovative design and we haven't seen anybody else doing anything similar.
We originally came up with the idea about 2 years ago when we were building plant pots. Some of the boys thought it'd be a good idea if we put it up by the church because there's a lot of homelessness in the area.
There are solar panels on top, and through that we have wires going into an actual charging box, and through that we'll have USBs that you can bring cables along, charge your phone, windbreakers on the sides to stop wind from going in.
And we've got like a curtain type thing for over the door, just so if it is windy you can close the curtains and then it gives the extra warmth inside.
It's been great to see how people locally in Pontypridd are able to see a problem and to put skills together to find a new solution.